How to get a $300 Temu promo code. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get $300 Temu promo code. Usually, if you open Temu website and there check their promotion sections, you will find various offers and coupon codes. Also, if you are a new user, Temu often provides promo codes upon signing up or making your first purchase. Now, if you want to get a $300 Temu promo code, then you need to visit one of the website of coupon codes. For that, you need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, in the search bar, you need to type couponchief.com. This is the website where you can get various coupon codes. Now once you type in the keyword, search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Coupon Chief. Once you reach to this page, here you will find search box. Tap on the search box and there type in Temu. Once you type in Temu, at the bottom you will find the search result. Tap on this official Temu promo code and then you will reach to this page. Here you will be presented with various promo codes that are available in this website. You may scroll down to find the one that you are looking for. Also, the exact $300 Temu promo code may not be available. So you need to find the one that is closest to that value. Once you find in the one, you need to tap on the Get Promo Code button at the bottom of the caption, and once you do so, a pop-up window will appear on your screen. Here you can see the promo code now. Now you can copy it to your clipboard. Long press on it, and once you do so, at the top you will find some options. Tap on this copy button and now it will be copied to your clipboard. Now once you have copied this promo code, now you can use it in Temu. For that, you can tap on this Temu link website and then you will reach to the Temu's website where you need to find the product you'd like to purchase, and there in the checkout section, you need to paste the code you have copied earlier. So by following these steps, you should be able to get $300 promo code. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.